What kind of life is this one? Hey, what kind of life is this one? Eh? I called John now. Just to even give me the only 1,000 I went on the home for the past 2 weeks. To give me the 1,000, no problem. Okay, I don't call. Okay, now how far about the job and say you see. No, you should. Nah, it's not by that different.
I will take you to court.
Yeah? What kind of life is this, sir? And now, since morning, person never chop. Never ever chop money to talk of whether he could even do go chop in the night. Eh? I just don't know why. All this guy just provoking me.
And when I take you to court, you will see you will know why I'm called education. Finish you there. Nonsense. You will hear from me in this village. You will know that I am education. In fact, I'll finish you.
Hey, why are you disturbing the entire countries and nations? What's the problem?
That is what you should have asked me before you tell me that I'm disturbing the whole country and community. Eh? Do you know the problem I'm facing?
What problem are you facing? Eh? What problem are you facing that I know I can handle any situations at all?
You can handle it?
Yes.
Wait, who are you?
As a matter of fact, now I am the chief judge of the whole universe. From there, I was promoted to France. From France, now I am now a lawyer. Do you get that? I'm now a lawyer. So I was promoted from country, state, city, and presently now I was moved to these communities. I'm now a barrister. That is why you see me now. And you can see my house is somewhere there. My house is somewhere there. You can see. I was now moved to this community. So as a matter of fact, I can help you. When you look at this man, this is the president of United States of America. 3 days ago, I was with him in America, putting things in order in their country. Last 2 weeks, I was in Europeans. I traveled to Europeans because they are having some issues concerning their oils and their street and all those things.
See, you see, God, this Chineke, this God will create heaven and earth, na correct person.
Yeah,
he said, me, Namibia education.
Wow.
Namibia education. That's my name.
Good. Education.
I think say I read book, but I don't think say you read everything. See,
yeah.
I have one case now. Thank God you're here.
Good.
This boy came to my house. Okay?
Wow, what an equivalent, insultive organism.
Yes. That is why I need you now. Because I don't like the way the elders. You know what the elders said? The elders said the guy the boy should give me another guy. He went and go and bring deaf and dumb. So I want you now. I go carry you, go meet the elder. See, in fact, you go arrest the boy. Carry the boy, go United Nations. Make sure, say, if not, I will kill that boy.
Wow, no, you don't have to.
Carry the boy, use sand, use everything. Lock him.
I will show him I am the chief judge of all the nation. I have been promoted to son, and now I am now a lawyer.
Don't China. Daddy, you're so okay. Mommy.
I am now a lawyer.
Don't worry. In fact, do everything for me.
What?
I will pay you.
What a calamity of imminence to bring a old boy in your own house.
I'm telling you, in my house, on top of my bed, you will not only that. In the bed.
Where is the impotence? Yeah.
See what you are going to do. Eh?
Yeah.
See, I have taken this matter to the elders, so, but the elders are telling me that I don't know what they do, what I'm doing. Me,
Yeah.
education.
Uh-huh.
But I don't see say your education pass my own.
Good.
So you will go arrest everybody, even the elders. Arrest them. So I trust you. You will do it.
No problem.
Yes.
I'm going to deal with both the elders. As a matter of fact, you know what? That's what you have to do for me. You see, I hope you know akara.
Yeah, I know.
And you know bread?
Yeah.
Good. So you are going to, give me some money. Then I need to buy akara and bread and eat. So that my, innermost concordant fratomasities can be very expanded. So that I can deal with them very well.
That's all.
That's all.
Only I can bread.
Only that.
That's no problem.
Good.
Take
Good.
this 200. If you buy everything, let's go.
Wow.
You will finish them, arrest them.
As a matter of fact,
I don't want to see that boy again.
I am going to deal with the elders. They will know I am from the United States of the whole universe. Yes. I love you. Universe.